severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wabash County, northern Grant County, southwestern Huntington County, southeastern Miami County until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight
70
Time.
miles an hour?
At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wabash, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Marion, Wabash, LaFontaine, Lancaster, Mount Etna, Landis, Lincolnville, Jalapa, Santa Fe, Enfield, Treaty, Majnaga, Banquo, Peoria, Lakewood, Somerset, and Pleasant Plain. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 265 and 272. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Grant, and Miami. This is Noah.